Philosophy of science. The philosophy of science is an intricate and fascinating field that encompasses a wide array of concerns, from the quest for truth to the maintenance of ethical standards. This domain explores the multifaceted nature of scientific endeavors, including the inherent human elements that sometimes introduce biases, fabrication, and falsification. Like any profession, scientists can be tempted to deviate from ethical standards, highlighting that even esteemed occupations are not immune to ethical lapses. Within the scientific community, individuals typically fall into two categories: those dedicated to scientific work, their truth, and those focused on career advancement, their growth. These dual motivations often coexist, as hard work can lead to recognition and promotions. However, problems arise when individuals take unethical shortcuts, such as canvassing for support, fabricating data, or sabotaging competitors. These actions undermine the ethical foundation of the scientific community. A particularly challenging aspect of science is the persistence of disproven hypotheses. Even in the face of contradictory evidence, scientists can find it difficult to abandon their favored theories. This cognitive bias, where one's mind resists acknowledging the failure of a hypothesis, poses a significant obstacle. More concerning, however, are those who deliberately publish fabricated results, severely damaging the integrity of scientific research. We have arranged a society based on science and technology in which nobody understands anything about science and technology. And this combustible mixture of ignorance and power, sooner or later, is going to blow up in our faces. I mean, who is running the science and technology in a democracy if the people do not know anything about it? And the second reason that I'm worried about this is that science is more than a body of knowledge. It is a way of thinking, a way of skeptically interrogating the universe with a fine understanding of human fallibility. If we are not able to ask skeptical questions, to interrogate those who tell us that something is true, to be skeptical of those in authority, then we are up for grabs for the next charlatan, political or religious, who comes ambling along. It is a thing that Jefferson laid great stress on. It was not enough, he said, to enshrine some rights in a constitution or a Bill of Rights. The people had to be educated, and they had to practice their skepticism and their education. Otherwise, we do not run the government runs us. Carl Sagan.